But a core value proposition of Capital B is to stick to our playbook, and our playbook is very clear. It's to deploy the strategy playbook at European scale, and that gives a lot of peace of mind to our investors. And we are very thankful to our shareholder base, which has been one of the strongest ones, and one with the most conviction as well as we go into the future. The future is bright. If you look at the MNAV levels Yves was mentioning, you could have a future with MNAV levels going back to 5x, 10x, and more. Nothing indicates the contrary. In fact, it's more of the opposite. The traditional system is the one that is completely mispriced, and on the other side, we are as well, in a way, mispriced, because none of our future prospects are currently priced in, really, as a sector. And I think that will change. I think strategy, for example, is going to be the most valuable company on earth over time, and that they will be monetized over time, as the Magnificent Seven have been. And that is a potential prospect for Capital B over in Europe as well. And that has immense value. And the optionality that we have around is important, but our focus is really capital markets operations that can increase Bitcoin per share. And that's, I think, what our shareholders like as well about the company.
Amazing. Alex, as we head to the last minutes of our session today, any comments, any final remarks for the 700 people who are watching this right now?
Well, I would say that 2026 is really the year to consider selling the shares that that you have as a reminding. No, but joke aside, I would like to say that if you look in the past carefully, even from a pure analysis of past patterns of what has happened in the past, you don't need to listen to any advice from anybody. You just have to look at the past behavior of Bitcoin and look at where we are potentially compared with this in the past. And I think the charts from Rational Root give quite a few indications that from an on-chain perspective and from even price levels and the type of market activity in and of itself, we are at levels where, yes, it could still go lower, but most of the pain has been observed, and most of the upside, which is unlimited, by the way, is to the right side of the chart. And that's really a major opportunity that is in front of every investor, but always within the means of everyone's risk tolerance, because that's what Bitcoin as well all of the time reminds to investors, is that Bitcoin can be very patient in the market at those levels.